Hello again. There is more rain to come over the next 48 hours, so enjoy the fine weather today if you've got it, and many places are dry and bright. It's not warm out there, temperatures still below average, but it's a bit less windy than it was yesterday. However, there is more rain on the way that'll be creeping into parts of the south and west as we go through the afternoon and into the evening, and there are a number of weather warnings in force. The first one for the rain creeping in around an area of low pressure, this band of cloud heading its way in. Even ahead of it, it's not completely dry, but the showers in northwest England are fading away, and southwest Scotland too. But here comes that band of rain, the brighter colours you can see there, getting into Pembrokeshire, Devon and Cornwall by 3 o'clock, accompanied by a brisk wind. Elsewhere, the winds are lighter than they have been, and there's some sunshine around, but it's not warm out there. Temperatures in single figures for most places. That wet weather is a cause for concern. Heavy rain sweeping in through the evening rush hour. We do have a warning in force, as I said. There'll be some snow on the hills across Wales also. That rain band then kind of pivots around across parts of the south overnight. Meanwhile, further north, it turns cold. And with showers coming into eastern Scotland, we have a warning in force here for icy conditions. Elsewhere, generally dry, but yes, it will be a cold start to Thursday. And across the south, as the rain pulls a little further north, well, it could turn quite foggy to start Thursday morning. Temperatures generally across the south holding a touch above freezing, but certainly further north will be below, well below in some rural areas. It's going to feel cold if you're stuck under this rain band during Thursday. There is a warning in force to cover for that. It persists for much of the day, and then it peps up a little bit across parts of Lincolnshire into Yorkshire and northern portions of the Midlands. Of course, very sensitive areas here because of the flooding rains over the weekend. So there are a couple of weather warnings in force for Thursday for that heavy rain. Won't rain everywhere. It'll be dry and bright generally across parts of southwest Scotland, Northern Ireland. Some sunny spells could develop in the south, assuming the fog has cleared. But there'll still be a brisk wind blowing, and that's going to make it feel cold, especially if you're stuck under that rain band. Temperatures 5 or 6 degrees at the very best, maybe 8 or 9 in a few spots where it does brighten up. Through Thursday evening, that rain does continue across parts of Yorkshire, extending up into the far northeast of England, continuing over the Midlands, perhaps heading in to the western side of the Pennines also. So again, potentially exacerbating the flooded areas that occurred over the last weekend. As for the outlook, well, it doesn't warm up anytime soon, stays cold into the weekends. There'll be more showers in the east, especially on Friday and Saturday. It does look a bit drier in many western areas on Saturday, but those weather warnings are in force. Keep up to date with the very latest by downloading the app, visiting the Met Office website, or following us on social media.